Did you know that 1 in 3 adults has high blood pressure? This can be a silent enemy to your health. Today, we will discuss how to keep your blood pressure normal. Understanding this is vital for your well-being. Firstly, let's define blood pressure. Blood pressure measures the force of blood in your arteries. Normal blood pressure is crucial for everyone. High blood pressure can lead to serious health issues, such as heart disease and stroke. Now, let's explore how to maintain normal blood pressure step by step. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Limit sodium and saturated fats. Regular physical activity is also essential. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly. Next, manage your stress levels. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga and meditation. Sleep is equally important. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Lastly, avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Both can negatively impact blood pressure levels. To reinforce these points, imagine your body as a well-tuned machine. Each healthy choice keeps the machine running smoothly. In summary, maintaining normal blood pressure involves a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and avoiding harmful habits. Together, these steps lead to better health. Take charge of your health today! Start by making one small change. Your heart will thank you for it.